Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Today is a very important Mahavaisakhi, several significances. So it is Kurma Jayanti, falling on a Guruwara, it is Guru Purnima, Visakha Nakshatram. On this day, it's of a great reconciliation. And it also marks the Jayanti of Annamacharya. Annamacharya has felt a lot of this Advaita Tattva. His feeling has been poured out in various kirtanas. So Vaisakha Masa specifically is for all Sarvadevatatmakam. So especially we see a lot of Jayantis, Parashurama Jayanti, and from Sri Vidya it is Matangi Jayanti, Bagalamukhi Jayanti, then Narasimha Jayanti, then we will see Chinnavatsa Jayanti. So many such things. Today also it is Buddha Purnima, appearance of the Buddha. So all these special things, what it says is, it is a great day of reconciliation. So we take one or two kirtanas of Annamacharya and try to see how all these different forms are combined together, reconciled together into same Mahavishnu or the Sri Vidya, or in Saiva Sampradaya it is a vratam of Uma Maheshwara, so basically Ardhanarishwara vratam. So considering all these things, we will just contemplate based on two kirtanas. So the first one we want to talk about is the Brahma Kadigina Padamu. So Brahma Kadigina Padamu, Brahmamu Tane I Padamu. So these feet, so we're taking one part of the same God, which is saying that it is been washed by the Brahma. So when Trivikrama Avatara, when Vamana Avatara becomes Trivikrama and started measuring stuff, the Padamu, the feet went to the Brahmaloka. At that time, the Kamandalu, from Brahma's Kamandalu, the water is poured onto the feet and washed. That only is Devanadi, Mandakini, Bhagirathi, and it will fall as Ganga. So basically, Tripadhaga. So Brahma Kadigina Padamu, Brahmamu Tane I Padamu. So there is no distinction between this feet and the Brahman. So even though Brahma Kadigina Padamu, Brahma is worshipping himself, the source of himself. Brahmamu Tani Padamu. Chalagi Vasudha Kolachinadi Padamu, so it measured the whole Vasudha. So same Vamana Avatara, Trivikrama Avataram. Balitala Mopina Padamu. So this feet is kept on the Balitala. Talakaka Gaganamu Tannedi Padamu. So it kicked the space. So can somebody kick the space? Tannedi Padamu. So it even covers the whole of the Gaganamu, the space, Akasha. Balaripu Gachina Padamu. So Balaripu Gachina Padamu. So which protected the Balaripu Gachina Padamu. Kamini Papamu Kadigina Padamu. So Kamini Papamu, Kamini is here Ahalya, Ahalya's Papamu, Kadigina Padamu. Pamutala Nidina Padamu. As Krishna, he dances on the snake's hood, called in the Kaliya Mardana. Pamutala Nidina Padamu. Premato Sri Sati Pisikedi Padamu. When he is sleeping, Lakshmi Devi, she keeps doing soft massage to this same Padamu. Pamidi Turagapu Padamu. So the meaning of Pamidi Turagapu Padamu is also not in the here, it's gone. Parama Yogulaku Paripari Vidhamulu Varamosagedi Padamu. So for the great saints, Paripari Vidhamulu in different ways, Varamosagedi Padamu. Thiru Venkatagidi Tiramani Chupina Parama Padamuni Padamu. So this Padamu is Thiru Venkatagiri. Thiram, that is ever there. చూపిన పరమపదము ఈ పాదము. సో దిస్ పాదము, దిస్ ఫీట్ హ్యాస్ సచ్ ఆల్ దీస్ distinctions and it reconciles everything into the Parabrahma. So Annamacharya gives this. And he also takes in another Kirtana, Indariki Abhayammulichu Cheyi. He takes the hand, then goes through all the 10 avatars. So Indariki Abhayammulichu Cheyi, Kanduvagu Manchi Bangaru Cheyi. So it's a great golden hand, a great auspicious hand, Bangaru Cheyi. So what it has done? Velaleni Vedamulu Vedaki Techina Cheyi. So invaluable knowledge in the form of Vedas. It has gone searched for it, Matsya Avatara, or it is also known as Hayagriva Avatara. Vedaki Techina Cheyi, Chuluku Gubbali Kinda Cherchu Cheyi. So Chuluku Gubbali, when somebody is churning the ocean, so today is also Kurma Jayanti. So the Kurma Avatara, he says, this hand which has gone underneath the Chuluku Gubbali కింద చేర్చు చేయి, కలికియగు భూకాంత కౌగిలించిన చేయి. సో ద గ్రేట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ భూకాంత, ద ఎర్త్, ద వరల్డ్, ద ఎర్త్, she has been embraced by this same hand as Varaha Avatara. వెలనైన కొనగోళ్ళ వాడి చేయి. సో విత్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వెరీ షార్ప్ nails. It is the wadi of the, it is very sharp hand with which killed the Hiranya Kasipu, that is the Narsimha Avatara. తనివోక బలిచేత దానమడిగిన చేయి, without having, so he wanted, not satisfied with what he has, he went and actually begged in front of Bali. దానమడిగిన చేయి, వనరంగ భూతాన మొసగు చేయి. Then after again as Parashurama Avatara, winning all the earth, the whole earth is been granted danam, given danam to Kashyapa Prajapati. Same cheyi, with the same hand, in one side he goes and asks for alms for the bhudanam, and on the other side he gives the same bhudanam is given. భూదాన మసుగు చేయి, మనసి జలనిధి అమ్ము మనకు తెచ్చిన చేయి. సో brought the whole of the waters, the samudra, to the end of the tip of the arrow. So by putting a arrow, so when he actually wanted to cross the ocean, Rama, the samudra is not coming or not giving any this thing. At that time he puts the arrow, and then samudra comes forward saying that my nature is like this, you have to construct something, and he gives all that, and that arrow is been kept to kill the hidden Rakshasas there. So that is the Rama Avatara. ఎనయు నాగేలు ధరించు చేయి, Balarama Avatara. So Parashurama, Rama, Balarama. So Krishna Avatara is not considered in the Dasha Avataras here because it is the source of all avatars. Then Purasatula Manamulu Pollasechina Cheyi. So this is the Buddha Avatara. Buddha is not the Gautama Buddha who prominently known as the Buddha who teaches the thing. The Buddha Avatara of Vishnu is actually came to teach wrong teaching to the Tripura Asuras and their wives. So in the process actually Purasatula Manamulu Pollasechina Cheyi. So their chastity is been removed by the same hand. Thuragambu Parapedi Dodda Cheyi. So the white Thuragambu, the white horse, the Kalki Avatara, which rides a white horse, same thing. Tiruvenkatachaladhisudai Mokshambu Teravu Pranulakella Tilipedi Cheyi. So the same hand which gives the moksham, it shows the moksham, Abhaya Mudra, Abhayam, Andariki, Indariki, Abhayam Mulichu Cheyi. So it gives the protection to all these people, such a hand it is. So if we look at it, what it says is Dashavataras, all these avatars are required. Specifically the Kurma Avatara, because it is Kurma Jayanti, we will touch upon Kurma Avatara and its capabilities, what it is. So Kurmavatara, Kurma can actually withdraw its hands and legs, heads, everything inside. So it can get into the action at will and come out of the action at will. And also it has, it is not in the action, but it supports all the action of churning of the Milky Ocean. Again, the great reconciliation between the demons and gods is required if we have to do some work and bring out all this world and its wealth, basically, which is submerged in it. So basically, Kurmavatara helps the Mandhara Parvata. Meru and Mandhara are the two Parvatas. Meru represents the backbone and the body, the gross world. And Mandhara represents the subtle world, Mandhara, Manasdhara, which holds the basis for the Manas. But it becomes very shaky and it will not allow the churning to happen. At that time, the Kurmavatara gives the required stability to actions to happen. And in Mahabhagavatam, there is a wonderful sarcastic point saying that what is the purpose, what is the use for the Kurma, the whole action? Nothing. Even the small itch that has happened on the back of this Kurma, whole of this churning couldn't remove the itch. It is not even worth scratching that back for that Kurma. So what it means is the whole of this action and the gross world, which comes out of all this churning, great reconciliation between all the dualities, it is not having any great benefit to the Supreme. So such Kurmavatara, why Kurmavatara special is the same Kurmavatara which drives us into the Dhyana Mandira at Hamsasramam, the Kurmam, which is there. So the Swami Virajeshwara has kept a Kurmavatara in there to signify that. And also the Kurma has another great ability. Just by thinking, it can nourish its kids. So the Guru, just by thinking about the disciples, he can actually give auspiciousness to those disciples. So with these specialities, all avatars, all different, like Mahavidyas, Dasavataras, Dasamahavidyas, Siva's different Leelas, everything put together, it is the same Supreme in all these multiple forms, giving and bestowing so many ways of moksha to all the seekers in the world. In such a great Parva, Visakha Nakshatra, full moon happening on Guruvara, again it gives a special connotation to worshipping of the Guru. There is no difference between Guru and the God, or God and the Guru, and both of them and the Self, which is to be realized. So the moksham is granted through multiple ways to multiple times by these different forms, showing up in these different forms and bestowing the moksha in that right path. Again, submitting all the great knowledge to Virajeshwara Saraswati, Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. And all the defects belongs to this ego, little ego, named as with a name and a form. It shows up here, goes around, talks in this live and all that stuff. Wishing the great auspiciousness on this great occasion of Mahavaisakhi, Kurma Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, Annamacharya Jayanti. The Vratam, Satyanarayana Swami Vratam is also performed. If whoever is doing whatever, may those practices, sadhanas, lead to ultimate prosperity and universal well-being. Swasti.